Yes, that is Larry, but what do you want to watch?
Abby.
Yeah?
Abby. 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 Abby.
Yeah?
Abby.
What's that? What are you pointing at now?
Abby.
That's the settings.
Oh.
What are you pointing at now? Tell Mommy.
Abby.
Not the settings. What's down below that?
Abby.
What is it you want to watch?
Abby.
Tell Mommy what you want to watch.
Abby.
That's not what you wanted. You told Mommy a minute ago you wanted to watch. Which is why Mommy went and got the camera.
Abby. Penguin.
Penguins, that's right.
Penguin.
What's your favorite, Sammy? That's some pretty good moves.
Abby.
Yeah, you ready?
Abby.
You ready? Mommy's gonna hit play.
No.
Oh, that's an interesting tantrum. What are we watching?
Ooh.
Yeah, I bet that hurt your tushy. Good thing you're wearing a diaper. Have a little padding back there.
Ouch.
Ouch. You're funny. Mm-hmm. Okay, you gonna watch penguins?
Penguin.
Penguins.